Hey everyone, Satnam here from Alchemist Academy, and today I've got Madan with me. Madan is our NAATI Nepalese trainer, as you all know about it. And Madan is one of the finest trainers in Gold Coast and in and around Brisbane. He has a 100% success rate, one of the most dedicated trainers. The purpose of today's video is just some common Q&A questions, especially from students who come in for inquiry or fill in the online forms and they ask questions from us. So I will have some questions on behalf of the students, Madan. So especially for the students that have come from Nepalese NAATI or Hindi NAATI, let's just answer that question first. So one of the most common questions that comes to us is, should we focus more on vocabulary, that means the word meanings, or should we just focus on the meaning of a particular segment? What is your suggestion for that?
All right. Thank you very much, Satnam, for your question. I think the answer is pretty straightforward. So you just have to focus on the meaning. If you start translating whole the sentence word by word, then it's obvious that you are going to mess up. For example, like if somebody is asking you, "How are you today?" and if you are just translating that sentence and then filling unnecessary words. For example, like I just want to translate that in Nepalese, okay? I just want to give example in Nepalese part. For example को लागि तपाईलाई यदि कसैले तपाईलाई आज कस्तो छ भन्नु सोध्यो र यो वाक्यलाई तपाईले अंग्रेजीमा परिवर्तन गर्नु पर्यो र तपाईले यसरी परिवर्तन गर्नुभयो कि अन्य कुनै अर्को वाक्यलाई तपाईले मिसाइदिनु हुन्छ। जस्तै कि हाउ आर यु टुडे, व्हाट डिड यु इट, यो भनेको तपाईले अर्को वाक्य पनि हाल्नु, यसलाई फिलर भनिन्छ र यो फिलरको लागि नाटीले उसको अंक घटाउनको लागि छुट्टै किसिमको प्रणाली बनाएको हुन्छ र तपाईको अंक चाहिँ घट्ने हुने नसक्छ।
Okay, so as Madan has said clearly, what as I understood is you stick to your sentences, don't try to add anything extra. If you do that, you just straight away lose marks. Okay, so straightforward answer, like that's a straightforward answer. Don't focus on vocab, focus on just the word, the meaning of the sentence. If you go word by word by word, you're going to make mistakes. Sometimes to cover those mistakes, you just add information. My next question is, Madan, it is again about these from the student's point of view. So again, it's from the inquiry point of view. So what they say is, how should we approach the exam? Is it more of like note taking or is it more of like listening? What should you focus on more?
Obviously, Satnam, had to focus on listening rather than note taking, because if you don't listen, then you will not understand the whole sentence. As I already said, you translating the meaning is more important than translating word to word. So okay, if you want to listen the raw figure, then I would say 90% listening and 10% note taking. So that's how actually I teach my students.
Thanks a lot for that, Madan. The last question that I have for you today is, a lot of students usually come and ask like, how much time should I prepare for this test? Should I study for 3 months? Should I study for 2 months? Should I study for 1? I don't know how many months do I need to study. They usually ask this question. What is your take on that?
From my teaching experience, what I have seen is 3 to 4 weeks is enough time for anyone to prepare for the NAATI test. Because I have taught my students only for 3 to 4 weeks and they have passed the test. So what I think is, if you are also dedicated and you are regular with the class, then you can also pass the test in first attempt.
Alright, so as Madan has clearly said, I totally agree with what you said, like 3 to 4 weeks is enough. So far, Alchemist Academy has had a 100% success rate in all the languages, which is NAATI Burmese, NAATI Hindi, NAATI Nepalese, as well as NAATI Punjabi. Madan is here, as he's clearly said, that he's taught the students for 3 to 4 weeks. And with dedication, if you're focused, you can definitely pass the test. It's not rocket science. You can definitely pass the test, but you need to have the right dedication, right sort of training, and the right sort of environment. And if you're looking for the best place to train for your NAATI or your PT, look no further. Alchemist Academy is the place to be in.